Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best overhead garage storages that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the FLEXIMOUNTS 4*8 overhead garage storage rack with hooks, adjustable ceiling storage racks. There are two colors available for this model, Pack White and Pack Black. The product comes up with 22 inches to 40 inches ceiling drop down with 105 cubic feet of storage, which ultimately provides a massive amount of space. For easy installation, there is an integrated grid design with DIY installation step-by-step diagrams. The rack can hold up to 6,000 pounds of distributed weight with dimension 96 in L*, 48 in W*, 22 to 40 in H. The product is made up of high-quality 14-gauge steel, and along with it 2 PCs of utility hooks and 4 PCs of flat hooks are included in the package. The product is extremely sturdy and durable, with effortless installation. There are step-by-step DIY diagrams available in the instructions, and for easy installation, integrated grid design is provided. The rack is height adjustable from 22 inches to 40 inches ceiling drop-down. This product is best as the overhead storage gives you the benefit of getting things away from rodents. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Fleximounts 3*8 overhead garage storage rack. Made of the best quality of steel with dimensions of 96*36*40 inches. There is an availability of the product in 2 colors. For easier assembly, there is an integrated grid design of the product, which provides better stability and sturdiness. The product can safely load weight up to 550 pounds. All the hardware has gone through strict safety tests to ensure the durability of the product. As compared with the other racks, this rack has a max 33 inches ceiling drop-down. The product is compatible with both wooden and concrete joists. As there is a steel construction, the sturdiness and durability tests are high of this product. The rack is height adjustable with easy installation. There is the presence of functional shelves that provides maximum spacing within the rack. There is a suitable storage option in this product as there is flexibility in storing options. We can store a variety of different products in these racks, and these can provide heavy duty also, which is a big bonus. At number 3, we have the NewAge Products Pro Series Black 4 feet. *8 feet, wall-mounted steel shelf. NewAge Pro Series is available in 2 colors, black and white. There are multiple installation options for the product as there are support cables available secured to the wall studs. Just to get protected from the scratches, there is a powder coat finish. The rack manufactured with steel, and the cables for this aircraft-grade rack are tested on more than 300 pounds of weight. The product dimensions are 96*48*57 inches, and it comes up with a lifetime warranty. The product is straightforward to install, and it can be used in high duty. The rack is the wall-mounted shelf, and it comes up with high durability and sturdiness. For household storage, the product is recommended as the best, and it is worth the price due to its durability. At number 2, we have the FLEXIMOUNTS 3*8 overhead garage storage. FLEXIMOUNTS is the safe buy as it comes with the long ceiling brackets, designed to attach 2 studs. Constructed of integrated grid design for more stability and sturdiness with the frame and wires. The product contains the construction of high-quality steel with the dimensions of 96 in L*, 48 in W*, 22 to 40 in H. The screws provided in the pack are selected of top quality. An installation template is also made available in the package, which provides DIY installation step-by-step with diagrams. Buy this product to avoid any floor damage and prevent any mess on the floor. The product is exceptionally durable and high sturdiness. The rack is height adjustable as it is adjusted from 22 inches to 40 inches from the ceiling. The top quality of the M8 screws is selected for the product for better strength and durability. The product can hold up to 450 pounds of the weight as well as it is triple tested with the braking strength. Suitable for wooden as well as concrete joists. And finally at number 1, we have the HyLoft 00540 4.5-inch overhead storage system. When distributed evenly, the product can hold weight up to 250 pounds. The ceiling rack contains 30 cubic feet of the storage. For seasonal storage and decorations, this ceiling fits perfectly. The package contains all the hardware and constructed from high-quality steel. For making the product rust and scratch resistant, there is a white powder coat finish. The dimensions of the product are 45 in * 45 in. The product is best for storing large amounts of bulky products such as luggage, coolers, and many more. The product can also accommodate all the space-saving products, and it can hold up to 250 pounds of weight. The ceiling rack is extremely sturdy and flexible with an effortless setup. With these features, the product is height adjustable, and it is rust and scratch resistant. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.